just like, how you get the weed in?
Yeah.
Because I was trying to smoke it. I was just like,
Oh, you gotta let
so I
it
was like, this
sit.
is not happening. Yeah, but I
let it
didn't know.
sit
I
in
was
there.
like, and then I was coughing. It was terrible.
Yeah.
But then I stopped and I
I never got
repented.
into weed like that, but it worked on me last time I smoked it. But I was soft though in the moment. I was with a girl. We was in the backyard, and she was smoking. I was like, man, give me this, man. You know what I'm saying? You always doing this shit. And I was trying to talk still. So but that one hit though, I felt it. Like 20 minutes later, I was like,